台湾心看世界，咱真正爱有保育观念。一个有9万外的这个迷众追踪的美国女网红，最近伫伊的社群呢，分享伊伫澳洲佚佗的时呢，去拄到地形镜影片。这个女网红为了拍影片，将这只镜喂买身躯边硬讲抱走，搁对镜头一直点。这个影片被公开了后，引起真大风波。我们然后动保人士真生气，搁惊动澳洲政府。
Just caught a baby wombat.
这个美国网红伫澳洲旅游的时阵，为了拍影片，竟然直接将地形仔镜对因宝贝身躯边抱走。
Look at the mother. It's like, oh, chasing after her.
又在地形妈妈伫后壁照甲片片衬，女网红搁对镜头等伊手内迄只地形仔镜。
I caught the baby wombat.
为了拍影片，所要保育动物地形，互动保界真生气。
I think the first time I saw this video, I felt rage, and just immense anger for what she's done.
代志甚至传到澳洲政府遐。
It's just an outrage. And I suggest to this so-called influencer, maybe she might try some other Australian animals. Take a baby crocodile from its mother and see how you go there.
澳洲政府命令审查女网红入境的签证，查明伊是毋是违反签证的条件。女网红嘛，因为安尼牵涉到虐待动物的风波。
The way that she's carrying the baby and running with it is really bad. There's a lot of pressure on that baby's spine. That's just not how we carry them. Picking up a baby, separating them from their mum, obviously always a bad idea.
也有专家讲，在影片内底听到的声音，都是地形仔镜表示痛苦的声音。影片虽引发到网友的批评，讲这个女网红为了想要互家己穿起来，就连地形仔镜拢唔放过。女网红不得不将影片态度，更加将社群设做私人的笑话。面对批评，伊甲澳洲媒体解释，讲地形仔镜甲伊老母拢无受到伤害，已经转去到树林内。
Hello， 我是庄慧琪。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。